playing some more I mean, they're gonna be playing some more. We're going to be playing some more domination at the Napoleonic Empire, rebuilding it. Currently, I'm getting attacked on all sides by my enemies. Mostly Hungary. Hungary basically broke up with me, and England now wants to get a piece of this too. It's immediately after I attack Portugal. So I'm just gonna send up some of my tanks. I'm gonna send a large amount of my tanks. Okay, so the person said for me to start waiting and recruiting up some more tanks, rockets, because apparently the other people are very weak. Yet I easily could disprove that, but I'm not. Anyways, let's just send my big boy troop over in here. Am I going to have to literally send these people out? Portugal. Anyways, let's see. Germany's tanks are falling, yet I'm just half tanks, so it's not going to look very good. Okay, Germany left. Greece, yeah, don't tread these lands. Italy's coming back. Stop it. Stop in Italy. Germany, go back to your land. No one asked you. Anyway, someone said I need to save up with 10 million. Don't you dare. I will ruin your army. They're coming over again. Get that mess out of here, Italy. I'm defending. Okay. I'm defending myself from Italy, which is a lot harder than you may think. Get that mess out of here. Yeah, they're just wasting everything right now. Yep. Now with the Napoleonic era, maybe I should just, put some more money into it. Apply. R&D spending. Apply. I don't want you guys to hurt and ruin my economy. They have 93 tanks. Nope. I'm really getting tired of Italy just out here doing the dumbest things. Anyways, can you stop Portugal for 10 seconds? The Portuguese are here. How are you guys losing to the Portuguese? Let me tell you. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, it's over. Don't you dare come over here. They're coming over. The German Reich has come. Let's just retreat. You know what? You don't deserve to retreat. These leftover failures. Oh wait, no. Portugal's losing a lot. We just left. You can take over Portugal now. Attack Portugal. Oh my god. These failures, these absolute losers, these buffoons. Anyways, let me just get 700 tanks. Oh, wait a minute, I was supposed to spend half and half. You know what? Who cares? Anyways, yeah. They're getting pelted by guns. These troops are just absolutely weak. If they can't make it with a tank, I don't know what they can do. Are you serious? You got kicked out of Portugal. Portugal, blah, blah, blah. You have gotten kicked out of Portugal. La Portugal. Le Portuguese. How do you get kicked out of the Portuguese land? You. What? Huh? Huh? What? 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 What in the what? I guess you're like, Mamma Mia. You have to be pulled like Mamma Mia. What? You have to be taking away the meatballs. I don't care anymore at this point. I take my trees back home. They don't deserve this. I swear to the love of Scooby-Doo. What am I saying? But seriously, what? Well, I guess I'm going back to France. The support of France for Hungary lasts a bit and strengthened their relationship. So am I still at war with Hungary? Yeah, I pretty much am. The whole coalition after me. England, I know what you're thinking. But if you don't get your knuckle-headed self out of this... England! Britannia! You don't have to do this. I'm going all in. Take down the social spending and the military spending. We're going to be making this one step at a time. If you're not going to do anything, just go home. You took the long route. You took the long route. What the? They're getting pelted on all sides. They only have 6 tanks. No, 2. R.I.P. Well, that didn't work out. It's because of the coalition. Now, I would be able to easily take out the entirety of over here if I had more tanks, because I spent my money irresponsibly. So, do a half and half. Half and half. A little bit of half and half. Ain't never kill nobody at the moment. Do a little bit of this. 90 piece. And boom. Now, as a result of me trying to basically just build up large amounts, and due to the fact that my laptop keeps struggling with data storage because I don't even know how or why, mostly because there was so one reason was that there were multiple games. What is this guy over here? There are multiple games on one account that I didn't even download with my sister. Just march into Spain's territory. Move back. You are not a soldier of the French Empire. You are nothing but a mere con. Go ahead and attack Portugal. Now that should get the whole coalition on. Yep. The entirety of the coalition has gone, and they're like, oh no, he's about to attack Portugal. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Oh no, we're all struggling. We're all getting ready to attack him because he's attacking Portugal. Or, wait, they don't care? Are you guys seriously not caring right now? I am attacking Portugal and you sent the smallest troop. Oh. I'm just going to go home. You guys are mean. I'm going home the wrong way. Jeez Louise, man. Jeez Louise, just go home. It's not that hard. Just walk up the mountain and go home. It's a mountain. Don't go along the edge of the mountain. Look, it's just easy. Now I'm losing tanks. Oh great, I'm losing all my people, all my men and all my soldiers because of these the idioma. See. And Canada. Of course it would be Canada. Canada, if you don't get that mess out of here. Anyways, next we're going to need to get a large amount of troops, but not that many. It's about 23,000 should do. 140 of these. 140 of these. No, let's wait. Because, yes, sir. Anyways, this is the end of part 1. I guess, or not part 1. Part 1 mission, get back Portugal. Bye-bye, you guys.